welcome back to Mind Body Relationship, where we talk about the mind, the body, and the relationship. Hi, my name is Emerald Hill, and this is Dr. Laurie Pinesford Hill, and today we're talking about me.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
We're actually talking about something that you do and really, really enjoy.
Yeah.
And that is soap making.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually really got into soap making when I was having trouble sleeping, and I found this person who made soap, and I thought it was the most kind of mesmerizing thing ever, and it would put me to sleep, which does not sound exciting. But then I turned the audio on, and she was talking about it, and I just thought it was so interesting how there was this craft that uses bright, beautiful colors, and it created something, but also used caustic chemicals.
Ooh.
Which was very kind of like, ooh, maybe if I do this craft, I'll be a thrill seeker. I don't know. And so I looked into it, and I found all of these videos on how to do it, and all of these references on where to get your stuff to do it.
Oh.
And so I got all of the stuff, and I taught myself how to do it through YouTube.
Wow.
Yeah. So basically all you have to do is get a bunch of oils, and then what's called lye, which is a very, very scary kind of chemical.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, if it gets on your skin, it can burn you.
Yeah.
Burns flesh, which doesn't sound like something you would wash your body in. But
and yet.
But you can.
Yeah.
And the mixture of the oil with the lye is called emulsification, which basically binds the lye to the oils to stop the burning effect. And it creates a lather instead. So that's what it is, and that's what makes soap clean.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. And so you found it kind of like a therapeutic process.
It actually really was, because at the time I was struggling not to bake, because I used to love baking. And so baking is a doing thing, and you get an end product, but unfortunately with that, you eat the end product, and then you kind of go backwards, and you don't want to do that. But with this, it was interesting because you got to do something very similar to baking, and you ended up with an end product very similar to baking. But instead, you kind of nurture your body. You get to wash your body and feel your body instead. So that was very helpful for me.
Yeah. And so we kind of incorporated the end product with the soap, because it's interesting, because it's a very large and sits in your hand, right? With that of skin brushing. Yeah, and skin brushing is kind of like with a brush, right? A stimulation for the skin and brushing off your excess skin and that sort of thing, right? So we actually really changed that up to use the soap in a kind of like a bilateral stimulation of doing the exact same thing, which is brushing and cleaning the skin.
Right.
Yeah. So you have a class coming up.
I do have a class coming up starting in October. So what you can do is really, the date's open, whatever works for you. If you have a Wednesday off and you're like, you know what, maybe I would like to try to make some soap, email me, go to the website. I've included the link down below. We'll set up a time and a day, and we can work through it together, figure out how to make some soap. And what's really great about soap making is that you have to be in a hazmat suit anyway.
So it works.
Yeah. So come on down to the Portside ART Institute, and I'll teach you how to make some soap. Yeah.
There you go. Well protected and clean.
Yeah.
Yes. And if you have a party, a group in which you would actually really like to produce soap as a gift idea, right, or that sort of thing, work as a group, that would be fantastic as well.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Which combines with our retreat experience.
Yeah.
So you can stay and make soap.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Laurie, for talking to me about soap.
Yes, Emerald.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to learning how to do some.
Yeah. So if you're interested, please contact me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, stay subscribed, and we'll see you next time.
All right, and bye for now.
Bye.
We're actually really talking about something that you do. There's a fly.
Something that you do.
and that. Anyway. Oh dear.